This is something like if you are at the Geneva Lake Geneva, Switzerland. Was there many moons ago. The mountain is slowing down as opposed to the initial focus that I had earlier. This is Tasek Ampang Hill, reminiscence of Lake Geneva of Switzerland. Slowly going down, waiting if it's going to relaunch. It's probably flying at a regular period of 5 minutes, maybe. Slowly gaining its height. Slowly, I'm going to keep on focusing. Let's see if it goes back to its original height. My arm is already tired. My arms are aching already. Alright, I'm going to stop at 6 minutes. There, I threatened them. Now it's going up. Alright, you can see there. Okay, folks. Enjoy it. It's going up. It's going to be more than 6 minutes now. I'm going to have. It's really. I think it is at 10 minutes regulatory time. See? It's coming up.